everyone! Welcome back to Penny and Coco Kids. I'm so excited to color with you today. Today is November 11th and that is Remembrance Day here in Canada. And so today I have a special Poppy coloring page that we're going to color together. I've already colored mine and filmed the video, but you can print the blank version out and we'll color it together. Just a reminder that you can print out the page from the link below. There's only one page this time, no beginner and intermediate, just this same one for both. And let's get coloring. Okay, let's get coloring our poppies. So, as many of you would know, a poppy is typically red. They can also be pink, but for today's coloring, I'm going to color mine 3 different shades of red. So, my first one, I'm going to color this red here. And I'm going to start at the top here. Just take your time with this coloring page. It's not a lot to color, so it won't take very long. So just take your time and do your best. Poppies are a symbol of remembrance for the freedom that we have here in Canada, and that is because of brave men and women who fought for our freedom, and I'm so thankful for that. There's a beautiful poem that we used to say in school called, well, it starts, "In Flanders fields the poppies grow." And if you want to hear that poem, you can ask a parent to read it to you, depending on your age. They'll know better if it's appropriate for you to hear that or not right now. Okay, keep coloring up here. Just take your time. If you get outside the lines, don't worry about it. Just keep coloring. We color to have fun, and so don't be hard on yourself. Just keep going if you get outside the lines. If I'm coloring too slow for you, you can speed up the video a little bit and meet me near the end, or if I'm coloring too fast for you, you can pause the video and then press play when you're ready to keep coloring, and we can color together. Okay, I'm gonna color this little part here in this color red, but then I'm gonna color this part here in lighter because that's technically the back of the poppy. So I'm gonna color it this lighter red here. It's not too much different, but it's a little bit different. Just so all our American friends know who are watching, today is November 11th, and in Canada, November 11th is Remembrance Day. And it's a day we remember people who gave their lives for our freedom in Canada in the war. And I don't know if you have something similar. Maybe it's called Veterans Day or something like that, but that's what today is for us. So that's why we're coloring poppies, because poppies represent this day for us. Okay, I'm going to color this one up here, this lighter red too. This color here. Poppies are one of my favorite flowers. Actually, they're very beautiful. What flower is your favorite flower? Okay, that looks good. Okay, so the middle of the poppy is actually black. I think just black, maybe a little bit of yellow. But I'm gonna do mine black. So I have a black here. And I'm just gonna color this in black. There we go. And I'll color this one in black as well. Good. Okay, now I'm going to color the last poppy there, and I'm going to color it this red here. I think it's this one, or is this the one I just used? Let's see. I don't know, but this is the color we're going with.
I think this is the one I just used, but that's okay. Now, I know that some of you are in school and some of you are being homeschooled. And I know that even if you are in school at the moment, because of how things are right now, you might not have an assembly like you normally would on Remembrance Day. So I wanted to do this because whether you're at home or at school, I think it's important to find a way to honor Remembrance Day in Canada. And this is, I hope, a little way for us to sit down and remember the sacrifice that others gave for our freedom. And so it's just a little way we can remember and honor those men and women. It's very important that we don't forget where our freedom came from. And that we always remain thankful of that. Okay, we're nearing the end of this one. Because I colored this one a little bit lighter, I'm going to do the folded part of this poppy petal a little bit darker on this one instead of lighter. So I'm going to use that color. Okay, very good. Now we're going to color the stems of the poppy. So I'm going to color them two different color greens. One will be this darker green here, and I'm going to color the darker green here on this lighter poppy. Good. And then I'm going to color the other two stems this lighter green here. Beautiful.
There we go. Now I'm going to hang my picture in my window because one of my neighbors is a veteran, which means they fought in a war, and so I'm going to hang this in my window so others can see that I'm very thankful for their sacrifice. And thank you so much for coloring with me today. Happy Remembrance Day. I'm so thankful to be Canadian, and I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you next time. Don't forget that all art is beautiful. Bye.